Hi guys. um, well, I'm here to show you what happened with the complete print of this Titan 3E. The last thing I showed you guys was the motor being assembled and a complete booster, which was okay, but I broke it into other parts for obvious reasons. So I'll give this a D. A C plus maybe because it could assemble, and it almost fits the 1/144th dinosaur. Well, what can you say? So some of the things that nobody's gotten to see yet is that anybody following me knows I kind of make a step, an advancement step kind of with every new model I make because I'm trying to get closer and closer to what a model is. And in this case, it's the assembly points, the steps, the actual the steps in the model, and the actual assembly like a normal model is. And after this, the next part will be keyways so that they all line up, so that part is taken care of. Numbering them, that will of course happen eventually also. I don't know at exactly when that will happen. And some of you already have had kits that were that had manuals that went with them. So one of the only steps didn't work was for the motor, so I'll have to rebuild, that to make that lock into place. But as far as everything else goes, it all assembles like it should be. This has a larger than normal that you would think step because it's got to hold that into place. And the same thing with the fairing. Now I'm not really happy at all with the fairing the way that it is. So the fairing is going to end up coming apart the way it should. And at this scale, it should have the stowed Voyager in it. I mean, it only makes sense to me that it would. And then last but not least, one of the last things that that this thing will get is I've got to find the correct launch cradle to hold this thing upright so that makes sense in the upright position. So this doesn't fit, but I'll go ahead and show it to you with dinosaur kind of in the correct place. So you kind of get the feel for that too. But this is the 3E. This is the 3E for Voyager, and it will have variants also because Titan was used for quite a few things. And I've also got the Titan 2 with a warhead to go, but it only made sense to work my way down from a more complete package of Titan backwards. Now, one of the things I'm not all that happy with are detail lines. For me, they're just not loud enough. Like I can't even really see them on the screen here. So I may have to. See, you can barely see them. I may have to redo this and make them all deeper. So I forgot. This print got started all over. This design got started all over almost 2 weeks ago, I guess, week and a half ago. So it takes a long time to do these things. This took a week and a half to do, and I still haven't thoroughly checked the scale all the way through. I'm still digging all that out to make sure my scale is correct. But the next time you see this, which is going to be the next print, hopefully the one going to the customer, everything will lock together It'll probably have the keys if I can make it fit. The shroud will break into its components, and there will probably be a stowed Voyager inside of there. And then, of course, the launch cradle. Plus, the next one will be ready to marry a 1/44th scale dinosaur to go with it. So, okay, guys, I guess I'll call it good, from here, and we'll see if we can't get, more of that detail down in the rest of this build. Like I said, this lighting is so bad too, you can't really make out the detail. I'm sorry about all of that, guys.